We have so many professions in the world. Some are doctors, some are teachers, some they are drivers, some they work in the government, some they are aeroplane drivers, some they are taxi drivers, and many more. Today we want to talk about jobs or professions in isiNdebele. Doctor, udokotela, cook, umpheki, nurse, umongikazi, driver, umchayeli. What about the teacher? Like and follow to know more about that.